Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble! Get ready to rumble!
Pump up the jam, yo, pump it up, yo, pump it.
Y'all ready for this?
I like to move it, move it. 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 Give it up, go.
Welcome to the big show. Simply wait.
Pump it up while your feet are stumping and the jam is pumping. Look ahead, the crowd is jumping. Pump it up a little more, get the party going on the dance floor. See, 'cause that's where the party's at, and you find out if you do that. I want a place to stay. Get your booty on the floor tonight, make my day. I want a place to stay. Get your booty on the floor tonight, make my day. Pump up the jam, pump up the jam, pump up the jam, pump up the jam, pump it up, up.
The 25 breaks a couple of tackles. And look at him go! And look at him go! He could go all the way.
Hey, you, get out of our way because today is the day we will put you away.
It's fun to stay in the YMCA. It's fun to stay in the YMCA. They have everything for your men to enjoy. You can hang out with all the boys.
Let's get ready to rumble! Get ready to rumble!
Pump up the jam, yo, pump it up, yo, pump it.
Aggressive, be aggressive.
Simply en fuego.
Everybody get up, it's time to slam now. We got the real jam going down. Welcome to the Space Jam. Here's your chance, do your dance at the Space Jam. Alright.
Come on and slam, and welcome to the jam. Come on and slam, if you wanna jam. Hey, yo, what you gonna do? Hey, yo, what you gonna do? Hey, yo, what you gonna do? Hey, yo, what you
What's up, fam? How we doing? 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 JXJT, I don't know if you guys caught that with me. Got my pre-market trade in. I was waiting for a short on this. The shares weren't too expensive on it. I was waiting for something like this to build up. We finally got it. I threw that out there to my morning voice alert. Said, watch that 910 shelf crack. Put it here in chat. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh. We got well over $1 out of it. My entry actually was not that good. I really waited for 875 to crack, so I waited for the candlestick confirmation. So I didn't get into like 865. Something 864 was my entry. Wasn't that great. Could have been better. But I was kind of worried we might get stuck up somewhere before that. Well, I should have just pulled the trigger as soon as the shelf cracked, obviously. It's all good. I still am in this 1,000 shares, though, for the pullback and crack. This VWAP is different than mine on Thinkorswim, so I know everyone's going to be a little different. But you can see there's a shelf being built on this VWAP. If we crack that shelf, we are heading down, like I said, through down to 750 and possibly down to 725, 730 area. My VWAP on Thinkorswim is right just below 7 at 660. That's where I really want to take this at, somewhere between 750 down to 7 and 650. Somewhere in that area if we get this little bear flag crack at the VWAP right here. Other than that, it is a mob fest, shift fest again today. DXF, no news. It's finally coming back down. CHNR, don't be surprised if maybe this gets the news. We had DWAC come out with some news, though. So this play could actually squeeze and run for more. It broke its downtrend in my morning voice alerts. I talked about this, and boom. So that was a good long you guys could have taken already. We also have, gosh darn it, what is the new one that's running here? Inox. This has news with NVIDIA. This could be today's beamer. If you do remember earlier this week, not BMW, that's funny I did that, but BMR came out with news, and I told you this would be, I told you by next week or by the end of the week, this would be, coming back here, and here we go. So BMR all the way up to 30. If you go back to a larger time frame, you can really see what we did here earlier this week on NVDA news. We go popping up from, what was the day before here? The day before we were at, in the dollar range, $1 to $2, and we go all the way up to 35. So do not be surprised if we do the same thing here today. Now, we're not coming from as low, but I could easily see this getting to $30 a day. Now, SMCI, who's in with me in chat? Raise your hand now, class. Class, anyone in class, who's in with me? Who's in with me on SMCI? Raise your hands now. Raise your hands, class. Classmates. I'm not the teacher. I'm just a classmate. Who's in with me? Come on, I want to see it. Raise your hand. Who is in SMCI? Anyone besides me. Please tell me there is someone in this play that's going to $1,000 today besides me. Someone. Just me and K. Clausen? Just me and K. Clausen. That's it. We're the only ones that want to eat. You could just win in a share. Just one share. I know it costs $900, but I promise it's going to pay out. Nagman, you're in. Going in at Bill. Got you, Ryan. Yeah, I told everyone yesterday in my morning voice alerts over 9:05. I got filled literally, it's so funny, right before the end of the day. I had an order set in at 9:07:11. It got triggered. I was like, you've got to be kidding me. Yes. No, it was yesterday, right? Yeah. No, it was this morning. It was this morning. Because I put it in at 9:07:11. So that's where I'm in at. I have to go back and see the exact fill time. Oh, I didn't get filled till here. Okay. Oh, okay. I didn't get filled till later on in the morning. I didn't get filled right away. I didn't get filled till later on in the morning. Till after 5 o'clock my time. So I didn't get filled till right here. When it started popping up through this area. This is where I got filled. Gotcha. All right. Just after 5 o'clock. Man, I was trying to tell you guys yesterday to get in the damn thing. I'm only in 11 shares, J-Web. I only got filled 11 shares. I really wanted to go bigger. I didn't know what number to choose. I was going to do 23. I didn't want to do 7 because it was too low. And so I just did Avery's favorite number, and I like the number 2, so I went 11. I just won 11 shares. I just went in 11 shares. It's not big. I told you guys I'm not going to go in massive, but I did want to get a little piece of the pie. I did want to get just a small piece and sliver of the pie, if you know what I'm saying. I mean, right now, on those 11 shares, I'm up $360. $360 on 11 shares. So that's why I wish I would have done 23, because it would have been double that. But then it's how astronomical and how fast this moves. I was a little worried about that. Real quickly, plays I like at the opening bell. Oh, it already happened, Microsoft. Anyone trade Microsoft? Rippy dippy dippy. Oh, I like the skippies. Bam, baby, Microsoft. Beautiful trade right there. I know I alerted that earlier. Under 410. I didn't put that. I put over 412. I didn't put under 410 in chat. Dang it. But I did my morning alerts. And whammy, baby! Microsoft. Holy Microsoft right there. I told you under 410 in my morning voice alerts. And look at SMCI taking off and squeezing, baby. Hey! I'm just sitting back today, team. I'm telling you right now, who all's in chat? We got Astra, we got K. Kloss, another cousin, cousin Greg, Love Chip, Ryan's in chat, MN Trades, DWAC Thoughts. DWAC, I gave that in my morning voice alerts. Just like that, baby, Microsoft! Just like that. You need to sign up for those morning alerts, team. MN Trades, do you not have the morning alerts, baby? You need those morning alerts, team. You need the morning alerts. The alerts are killer. They're killer. They're killer. DWAC real quickly. I said watch for a downtrend break here in pre-market to pop up. So there was one long. Right here overall, it's just going to be, in my opinion, we had the big move up. This is old previous chart resistance support now. I don't know how much that's going to come into play, honestly, 54 on the dot. My main key area, as you can tell here, and we're still not really fully getting over 56, 75, 57. And so we're going to probably build a channel. Where's the bottom's going to be the key? To me, it could be 54. Could be down here, and we could crack back to 53. Could crack all the way down to 51.50, right? So use those levels right there in those reversal areas. That's where I'm always finding my bounce plays. Come on, SMCI. Gart. He's talking to me. Let's see. If you could, would you go in 100 shares? J Webb. What's up, Torn Trader? Everyone in chat. Andre. Man, just because I'm so 100% sure this is rolling to 1,000, probably, yeah. If you feel like dancing, so come on. Good morning, though, team. Hopefully everyone had a great Thursday so far. We got NNOX. Is it a bigger float? I did not see that on NNOX. I did not see NNOX with the bigger float. Is it? I'll go to statistics. And that's probably why it's not showing. I was wondering why it wasn't showing up on the scanners. Yeah, 55 million. I was wondering why it wasn't showing up on the scanners there. DTSS though could come back alive today. I know this was popping up in the pre-market here. So watch for that to steal the mob away. JXJT. Oh, let's go JXJT. Let us go. Let's go. Come on. Oh, dump away. Dump away. SMCI, I told you. SMCI. Let's go. 1K, baby. 1K. Give it to me today. SMCI. And make that choo-choo sound. God, baby, I love it. I love days like today. Come on, JXAT, and just dump this. Let's go. I took it off my radar. I hate looking at it. When I look at it, it wasn't dumping, and let's go. I'm locking out. I'm locking out this right here. Oh, yeah. And DTSS, by the way, DTSS is still in the mob. What did I tell you, though, JXJT? I was staring at JXJT, and it wasn't doing anything. Innox with the big pullback is what I was looking at. And I was like, okay, let's look back at JXJT. Bam, baby! Speaking of which, JT tickets come out to sale. If you're going to see Justin Timberlake, got some Justin Timberlake tickets out for sale. DXF halted. All right, let's go to these small cap plays. This is what I'm going to look at today, team. JXJT may just start dumping away here really hard right now. Under 670, JXJT may go down for some more. So JXJT, I was already up at that point when it's hitting the lows there. I was up $1.50 in the trade. It's hard for me not to want to lock up the rest of that. It's right at my VWAP area and what looks like support. I gotta let that go. PLCE, this has been a multi-day runner as well, now spiking up. We're getting a lot of random movers here, team. China, this is halted up. I'm just gonna call it China. This is halted up now, team. I'm telling you, what did I say? Mob Shift City in the small cap world. It's just Mob Shift City. Mob Shift City 100% here. And if you want to, hey, it's SMCI for all you traders. I'm in to hold this just because we're up so high and down so low. I still feel this is going to 1,000. In my opinion, I know we raced all the way up from 930 to 960 right there at the opening bell. Lock up if you want to. You know, don't take profit if you want to. You don't got to stick in with me. I'm only in 11 shares. I'm not, you know what I'm saying? So if you want to lock up anytime here, it just rolls up to 970, 980, 965, right now at 960. Don't be, hey, if you're in it, like you, K47, if you want to lock, whatever, I'm saying, if you want to lock some up, don't be ashamed and feel like you can lock some up. You can if you want to. Took half, look at it, took half. There you go. Took half. Love it. I just wanted you guys to get some profit. I told you! What did I say? JXJT's about to dump down for some more. Ho! Ho! Oh! Love it. Love it. Love it. Absolutely love it right there. Getting big pullbacks here across the board here. So let's see. I'm going to go over and zoom out a little bit on SMCI. We got Microsoft pulled back. We got SPY kind of all over the place. NVDA is going down pretty harshly today so far. So any plays you want me to break down, let me know in chat. What plays in chat do you want me to break down? Let me know now. Give it to me. What do you want me to break down? My plays, money. My plays were money today. Absolutely money in the bank. Money in the bank. Money in the brizzles. Let's ticket giveaway. That's what you should do. Ticket giveaway, K. Clausen. What's a ticket giveaway, boss? What do you mean ticket giveaway? What do you mean ticket giveaway? I took that AK. Oh, nice. So you're in JXJT. Hey, ha, ha, ha. Ryan took one contract. Good job, Ryan. Good job, Ryan. Good job, Ryan. Good job, Ryan. Is it Ryan? He said, my name is Ryan. It's Ryan. Meta testing uptrend. Man. I'm telling you, team, JXJT was easy money. JXJT was easy money. Oh, yeah, we could be getting this pullback here. Big reversal from Meta here at the opening bell here. Big reversals. We're kind of getting this in all the tech companies. We're getting this across the board in the tech companies, team. SMCI, Apple, not doing anything. Well, AMD would be the one to go to. AMD, Meta, NVDA, SMCI, ARM, all with those big reversals here at the opening bell. All the tech companies right now with big reversals at the opening bell. Oh, Sean. Okay, well, Sean, if you're in long, please take profit, Sean. I thought you took the, sorry, man. This was the better play. No offense. You better be careful with CHNR long, Sean. This could gap down, fly. Be careful, Sean. Be careful. Please be careful in small caps right now. DTSS is going to be your main mover, it looks like right now. DTSS is live and your main mover right now. So DTSS looks to be your main small cap mover. JXJT still halted down. I told you guys this was going to start dumping away here. I had a feeling. Anyway, someone about lawn mowing. I'm like, what? Who? No. I mean, if you want to mow it for free. This could, okay, I'm going to put this up. I'm going to get the halt scanners up again, team. There we go. Let's get the halts back up. Man, perfect. I should have stayed in that a little longer. That hurts. I just want to see where it's, oh no! Ooh, 5, it's, okay, I was like, please don't gap down to 540. I will get up CHNR for you, Sean. CHNR. Oh no, CHNR. Was that a gap? Told you, Sean. Sean, I'm sorry. Sean, hopefully you got some profit out of it. I am just telling you in small caps, be careful right now. Feeling, yeah. DTSS, by far your main, woohoo, and halted down. Let's go over to DTSS. It's all good, Sean. That's why I wait. That's why I was saying people in chat. Wait. Oh, okay, for JT, you said tickets were coming on. Oh, okay, do a ticket giveaway. Yeah, right. I can do, if you want me, we can maybe do one of those. We can do like a ticket giveaway. I'll get the cheapest tickets possible. Good morning, Trevor. Sean got out. Damn, I only got out one. Yeah, Sean, I'm telling you, those small caps today, I said this Tuesday. I said, when they were already doing the herky jerk and the crazy shit I saw by Tuesday, and the fact that it came out of nowhere, so we weren't like I talked about this the other day, we didn't have like an 80% mover, a 90% mover, and then the next day it's a 150% mover, and then a 200% mover, and then a 100% mover the next day, then a 300% mover. You know, it went from like 0 to 1,000% movers and multiple 1,000% movers out of nowhere. Typically, and they all were giving back gains. So typically, when you do that so fast, that's what I was saying. By Friday, watch, it's gonna be gone by Friday. Friday into Monday, these plays are gonna be reversing so quickly. Traders are gonna get spooked out again, and there's hardly gonna be anyone wanting to go long. JXJT is live, and it did gap down a little bit, not much, but a great short op right there. Shelf crack from the 910 shelf crack alert, and then I alerted this shelf crack to you guys at 775, 780, whatever you call it, the VWAP. We are talking almost $4 right now for JXJT. Almost $4. Woo! This is the moment. Trevor, how you doing? Sitting at the JT concert with the tickets you give away. Knows. Yeah, right, K. Clausen. Yeah, no, I had one of those things where, you know, hey, I'd have to give a better ticket giveaway. Let's go through some of these plays real quickly. I mean, I like JTs. I like them, but I don't know if everyone likes JT. Then people probably just sell those tickets just to make money. It's like, might as well just do a giveaway with money. Let's go to a 3-minute time frame, so it's not as herky-jerky, but we're still getting wicks. It's a wiki day across the board, and that's why I was kind of sitting on my hands. There was a great shelf crack right here on NVDA under 735. Microsoft's unfortunately happened at the opening bell at 410. Those were the two trades I would have been looking to trade today. Honestly, overall, I didn't like anything else too. Oh, Meta. Meta had a good shelf crack, but it happened so quickly. And so we had a couple of good shelf cracks that worked out really nicely. NVDA still going to new lows here. NVDA still going to new lows here. And the other one, in my opinion, was Microsoft, just because of that shelf and or the long that was built in either way. And again, what am I looking for? Right here from yesterday, there was about right at 410, right above it. There's support. Support bounced above it. Boom, you know, right? So if we crack that, the only thing I told you guys in chat to be worried about was like 409, 60, 70. Otherwise, it could just right on down, and it sure as hell did. Eyes on IFBD. IFBD, what's going on with IFBD? Nothing. Nah. It's just short opportunity. Yeah, I'd say short Myron right here at high of day when you get that real quick reversal. So they'll go IFBD right here. See that upper VWAP band? It did start going up, but then it flattened out. You know, that's, you know, there's not a lot of room to run as of right now. Not a lot of good setups. Not a trend line. There's not a shelf, so to speak. It's only shorting into the resistance, and then there you go. That would have been your short on IFBD. High of day, fail, resistance, rejection, reversal at the upper VWAP band. SMCI finally getting that. I wonder if we're going to have a choppier day. The gap up's good, but I wondered if SMCI was going to have kind of this choppier day, which we went down to 920, back on up to 950, now back down to 940. We do have NVDA here becoming quite a nasty mess right now. Big reversal, about $10 so far, so nice move there. JXJT, had a feeling that was going to be just a super thumper dumper. How's your play looking at, Sean? Oh, still halted down. Let's go to CHNR for Sean. Looking like it's going to gap down a little. Sean, your best bet, you better hope this bounces off these lower shadows right here, Sean, and reverses somehow back up to 3. Maybe turns into that multi-halt play that we halt like 30 times in a day, so to speak. Beamer, ooh, down more, she went. RVSN, this one's been running here recently out of nowhere. Was the mover that we had last month, into the beginning of this month, has been a pretty darn good mover RVSN has, so keep that one on watch as well. Lay down, girls. I got you. I know. You got to be in here. Got to be in here. Got that, Myron. Yes, sir. Cousin Greg. Hopefully you got that as well. Mr. Gregory. Gregory, dude. Here's Mr. Gregory. Yup, J95. What's up, J95? What's up? What's up, though, boss? How you doing? How you doing? Let's see, we got Tesla over the last few days here. Tesla, little Kappen Hundale. Is it Kappen in the Hundale? Yep, nice little move back up. Just really nice. Just when you get those U shapes overall and find your way back up, and there's your little handle. Over 195 is going to be key. If we can get over 195, which we just haven't been in a while, that will be very crucial for Tesla. For the Teslas. Let's go to when he plays halted up and knocks. Down she goes. Damn. RVSN would be your main mover right now. RVSN is halted up. I guess. No, it's live. It's halted though. How is that halted? How did that halt? You know, that's real sketchy. You know, what? How did you just halt in the middle of the what? That's a little sketch right there. 10-minute halt on CHNR. Uh-oh. It's all right, Sean. You better hope everyone just runs over to China and wants to pump it. I don't think it's going to happen. That's why I was saying be careful. This was, and I know you can get the shares, I guess, or whatever, but this was the play. You know, that was the, damn, look at that reversal. From 5 all the way back up to 650. That just shows you, Sean, how this week has been in the small cap world. Unless there was here comes DTSS down too. So that's not a really good sign. The trend line crack there for DTSS. Right here, team. Beautiful trend line crack on that wedge that we had built up. That could be halting down here soon, team. It's either a good sign or a bad sign. You know, it's either everyone's going to run over to it or everyone's going to get scared and run away. What a day, what a day, what a day. Microsoft down in, Microsoft down. Oh, man, Microsoft. Yeah, it was a dump. Microsoft was the one I was telling you guys in my morning voice alerts here. Again, team, if you need any help at the opening bell, let me tell you what I was telling you guys what to be looking for. So here at the opening bell, SMCI for the squeeze, I'd be looking for that. I do like Microsoft actually under 410 or over 412 for a long or short. That's kind of my favorite. What did I say? My favorite! My favorite! Nah! This massive move. Oh, if you could have just waited just 3 more minutes, Microsoft. Just 3 more. DTS. Look at this, Sean. All right, so I'm telling you, man, just telling you today in small caps, it is just chop chop. Here. That's why I was really nervous about going short, which is weird because 90% what I do, probably going to chop the trade and take it. It's all good, Bosh. Yeah. That's why, yep. Short is where it's at most of the time for me. I mean, look at JXJT. Is that all? Did that reverse right? Oh my God, JXJT down to the 5s. JXJT into the 5. Woo! Any stocks you want me to break down, let me know. Sitting here with you guys for definitely, I mean, it's only 17 minutes in. Seems like we've been in a lot longer. SPY, big reversal here. SPY, big reversal so far. Beautiful reversal coming back on up. Come on, SMCI, give me 2K would be great. 2K would be phenomenal. PLCE, did that really hit 28? Holy 28ers. PLCE out of nowhere with the super monster move. What the effing blobber cobbers. This is 11.2 million float, so I am not surprised, I guess, really, in the end. I forgot that did move pretty good last week, but dang, I was not expecting that today. Let's move DTSS that out of the way. We do have room here. My good golly, PLC is by far your top small cap to watch at this point. Right, I agree with them right there, right where they said, and we about hit it pretty much on the dot. Old resistance is resistance again, right at around what, team? 28.75. What's today's high of day? 2860. Good golly, you gotta like that. You gotta love that. It's all good, Sean. Yeah, it's all good. It's all good, boss. It's all good. That's why I put the alerts out there of what I'm gonna trade. That's why I put the alerts out there of what I'm gonna trade. So you guys can, hey, if you want to take it, you can. But that's why I'm trying to find the stuff that's got that 93% material. You know what I'm saying? I need that 93% material. IFBD, what do we just dump away? IFBD, we just dump away. Yeah. So what we're getting here, team, I hate to have to say it, you know, just like China here, this is just what you're getting in these. It's just trash out there. It's straight trash. Straight trash and pump plays. PLC is now halted. Oh, we got our mover. We've got our mover. Her name is Children's Place. All right, so PLCE, let's go up here real quickly here, team. Next resistance areas for the PLCEers. Now, we do need to hold this gap up because it looks like we're not going to gap, or, you know, hold this a halt up because we're not going to gap up. I'm going to say we have a little resistance here at 29.50. Then I'm going to say we have a little resistance here right around the 31 mark. Now, maybe 30 does. Let's go back and look. Not really. You know, it's right here at the open, and then we could run through 30 up to 31. What a mover. What a moveo. What a moviata. What a move and the move. Woo! Yow! Big movers right there. Holy moly. Now watch this thing pump. Oh, yeah, China. Oh, there you go, Sean. There you go. That's what I was saying. What? Sean, I called this out. Sean, I called this out, though. I called it out. I said this, Sean. You know I did. I said your best hope, your only hope is to bounce off those lower shadows, right? I called this. Oh, I called this. I called it, though. I'm telling you. Just you watch these charts enough, you watch this trash enough, and you eventually go, well, here's what's probably going to happen. You know, here's the potential, most likely, of what's going to happen in this play. Y'all like the peace sign there? A little smoke peace sign coming out? A little peace out at you? Bam, Sean! It's all right. I know you're like, damn it, I know. I would have made money there. DTSS, sorry. DTSS, here we go. Right on down she goes. Look like the trend line crack really pan out now. PLCE. Watching for more movement here. We did halt up again. PLCE. Thank you for that great. Oh, DTSS just going on down. PLCE here real quickly, team. Halted up at 49 after in 10 seconds. 49 after in 10 seconds. 49 after in 10 seconds. See what this upper band does when we go live, because as of right now, that upper VWAP band is flat out to the right at $30.88. That's right where my next resistance line is at. That's where it's at. Oh, SMCI, baby! SMCI! Come on! We got a meta. That as soon as you said meta, I was like, I bet that okay, nice little move. Trend line. So Jay, watch for the trend line crack. J95. J95. It's not as pretty in the 3-minute, but you can see the trend line. I would be playing right through there. Play that trend line, Jay. Play that trend line, Jay. NFLX. Oh yeah, NFLX. Did we finally go today? Oh, called it up to 92.50. Hoops. And China, damn it, I'm so sorry, Sean. Oh, Sean, I called this out to the dot. This is so terrible. Please tell me, Hoops. Please tell me, Hoops, that you took NFLX. Please tell me you took NFLX, boss. Hoops. Because I know that's your play. And I said it's got legs up to 492. 50! And that's the high of day, almost on the dot. Yeah, it's like it should step back every minute. You're the man, just trying to get that A. Sean, I understand it. I appreciate the love and you coming over. I appreciate the love and you coming on over. I appreciate the love coming on over. Oh, SMCI, big reversal. Like, wrong way. Wrong way. Massive sell-off on SMCI out of nowhere. All right, so I'm going to go back over to PLCE. Big reversals right there. Did SPY get a big reversal too? SPY, big reversal. Oh, what news came? No news. It's not top of the hour. DTSS. Man, trend line to VWAP crack paid out. Oh, PLC is live. PLCE is live. PLCE is live. PLCE is live, and I told you that upper VWAP band right up to third. Okay, now they're moving apart. Upper VWAP band is moving apart. Oh boy, this guy's gonna move. PLCE is gonna be your bigger mover of the day, team. PLCE is your bigger mover of the day right now. This guy is just moving all over the place. So PLCE is kind of be your bigger mover in the small to mid cap world. It looks like a CHNR I know could get some of that mob. How much of the mob? I don't know that it's gonna actually take forever. I just don't. I talked about this on my morning voice alerts. Another thing I talked about in my morning voice alerts. Here we go. Listen. CHNR could get the mob. Don't be surprised if all of a sudden this gathers the mob if maybe JXJT dies off in DXF as well. This one's up almost 200%, and yesterday and after hours was up well more than that. So watch for a downtrend break back through the VWAP is going to be key at 340.50 area for a move then up to around 370. Over 370 to $4 and over 4 to 420. Talked about that. Talked about CHNR and how this could be that play today. I talked about this 100%. Oh, PLCE new high of day. PLCE, I told you, could still be moving. PLCE's a monster. Nice. Any stocks you guys want me to go over? Let me know. Any stocks you guys want me to go over? Let me know. Let me know right now. I don't think there's really any trades I'm seeing to take right now. A lot of them happened there, in my opinion. Right now, I'd say PLCE. I would love to get a short, but I know this is so bullish as of right now. But I'm going to wait on a short on PLCE. It's easy. It's not expensive to borrow. I think it's easy and free, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it's easy to borrow. So PLCE, I will be looking for a short. Not right now, but I will. So just wait. That's the trade I'm going to take today. Yeah, NVDA is coming down more. I really wish it wouldn't. I wish NVDA would have went to 750 today, because if NVDA went the opposite direction it's in now, SMCI would be at $1,000, 100%. We're just didn't get that. We're getting more of that choppier move on SMCI today, up and down, and creating about a $50 range from 925 to 975. Just because a lot of these plays are starting to pull back. You know, SPY was moving up, was looking good. NVDA was reversing for a minute. Everything kind of was, and SMCI was rolling to 970. Well, then everything started turning back after that. I don't know who you are. Get out of my life. Good job, K-Claw. Easy money. I hope you guys made some easy money. I would be careful going long here, Astra. Again, going long today. I know you've had a good one here on PELCE, but I wouldn't go long anymore. I would be looking for a short op. I would 100% be looking for a short opportunity PLCE. I would be hesitant to want to go long, 100%. I would be hesitant to want to go long. Wait for something to build up. Like right now we're building a flag. So come up to say 32 again, put some pressure on it, Astra, but don't break it. And then push, and you're building this tight flag. Then over high of day, it looks good. You know, you don't want to just race right up, because as soon as it flies up to 3270 or 32 like it just did, new high of day, it can immediately pull right back on down as everyone takes profit. You want to see it slowly build up into a nice tight flag. China live. CHNR is now live. CHNR is now live again. Does have room up overall. They talked about 2 pre-market highs, or an after-hour high. So right here is going to be tough for it. Right around this 410 mark. So let's see what we get here. Right at 410. I know I put a line in there. Am I just too fast for it? Right at 410. And then the next one's going to be right here at about that 450, 460 area. Somewhere right about right there. CHNR right at some resistance. Good job, Cousin Greg. Good job, Cousin Greg. PLCE short break of trend line. Yeah, PLCE, that is kind of what I'm looking for. Waiting to see if we get a trend line break, or crack. I would honestly wait, though, still. I'm still trying to determine, honestly. I'm still trying to determine. I haven't got that far yet in mid trades. I still don't see what I like yet. It still hasn't popped its face up. CHNR here. Quick reversal right back up to resistance. What's that mean? It's going to pop the new high of day. New high of day, CHNR. Yep, run on the banks. Most of those tech companies, we went over this earlier, ARM, AMD, Meta, and not really so much Meta, but NVDA. All the tech companies or the chip-making companies have really seen a, whoo, I know this has got to hurt. Sean, I am so sorry if you're out there, Sean, or if you do see this, Sean. You just got to let that go, man. I hate that for Sean. Oh, Sean took a loss. And then, it's the worst feeling. So, Sean, don't worry. This happens to the best of us, my man. Happens to the best of us. FOMO vibes over here. Yeah, I didn't know if you took it over the halt area. I didn't know if maybe you got back in on the new high of day move here. But here's now your new mover, CHNR. And now we're running up to after hours highs. Now we're running to after hours highs. PLCE, what did I say? I don't know if you took it, Astra. I don't know if you took it, Astra, about the halt up, though. I don't know if you took it. Watch, see what I say about the build up and a flag. What did I say? We're rolling here, team. We are rolling. PLCE is halted up. PLCE is halted up right there. So PLCE halted up, baby, 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 baby. Oh, JXJT, other cousin. What did I say about JXJT, team? $5 in an hour from my 910 crack alert. Literally down $5+ team. Look at this. An hour, less than an hour ago, I entered this trade. We are now down $5+ team. In small caps, $5 in an hour. Woo! Let's see, I was gonna, but I didn't want to chase. Gotcha. Kev Connie, what's up, boss? Boss, good job, other cousin. Good job, other cousin. That's awesome, boss. CHNR, new high of day. CHNR, new high of day. PLCE, CHNR, if I can type correctly. New high of day reversal. Okay, so PLCE, let's go back to this one real quickly. PLCE, okay, that was like, there's no way that's gapping up to 50. Now we're back to a gap down. I'm telling you, I just can't today. I cannot go long today. Express is making a move up. Express here, team. Let's go trade some clothing. Let's go trade some clothing. Let's go GameStop. Oh, I remember when AMC and all those would run together. All the Reddit Fossil would run with them. Not Foxel, but Fossil, like the watches. CHNR though, team. CHNR running on up here. Boy, we are just Yeah, I keep wanting to put that R first. LULD to the top side is at 555. This is your long play so far. But again, like we've seen from the rest of these, you will see a pullback at some point and see a nasty reversal. And I mean nasty. Let's go to PLCE right here. Whoo! Okay, let's go to PLCE. We'll put 2 level 2s up. We'll put both the level 2s up. You can see right here, PLCE, easy to borrow. CHNR, new high of day here, team. CHNR, where's the next freaking resistance area? We are just flying here, team. CHNR here. Over that. Yeah, we really have room right here to 620. CHNR room to 620 at this point. CHNR about to halt up. CHNR did not halt up, but has room to 620. CHNR, they're just not letting it halt. They're just not letting it halt up. Any plays again you guys want to go over, let me know. Any plays you guys want to go over, let me know, let me know, let me know. I'm letting it go. Hey, Don, 10 for 10 on the morning alerts. That's awesome, Sean. Applebee's for lunch. Love it, other cousin. Okay, Clausen, love it, man. That's awesome, team. Love to hear it. Myron, what are you up to now, Myron, what are you up to now, boss? What do you got it at, boss? What's your number at, boss? It's Milk signed up for the morning alerts final. Oh, that's right. No, team, someone signed up this morning. I was behind this morning. I'm sorry. I will get you added to the morning alerts for tomorrow. And give you Hershey Kisses sent your way as well. CHNR now finally halted up. 12 of 13. Okay, got you. That's all right. Well, not over. What is it overall, though, I guess? I guess it hasn't moved too much. So our streak ended at 12 is what you're saying? It's Milk, no stress. Hey, that's what I want. I want you guys to have no stress in the morning. I want you guys to know that my alerts are going to just cakewalk you through opening bell and throughout the whole entire day. That's exactly what those morning alerts are for. So you guys know exactly what to look for, what levels to trade. Makes it much easier, hopefully, for you guys to trade. Hopefully. Any last questions, team? I'm going to take a break. I'm calling it a morning, honestly, for myself. PLCE and CHNR are your two long plays. I just cannot gather the cojones to try to go in long on these plays, especially at this point. I am absolutely stunned. Not absolutely, but I am stunned that this bounced as hard as it did off of Sean's. This is what I called out. I called this out. Your only hope is for a bounce off those lower shadows. And the shit that we're about to gap, well, I guess we're not gap, but the fact that we're pretty much $4 up, I can't chase that now. I will be looking for PLC shorts. So I will come back into chat, alert to you guys, hey, here it is. I'm going to jump on the mic when I enter the trade, but PLCE is the short I'm looking for. The only thing I like right now in the 1 minute time frame is built up a good shelf at 30, and then we have the halt down area or halt up area at 29.15 is the only thing I'd be worried about. So the $30 shelf crack to 29.15, below that down to the VWAP around 27.75 and 27. That's it as of right now. I'm sitting on my hands. I destroyed JXJT. Not as much as other cousin destroyed it though, so congrats other cousin. Still a stupid easy play. I mean, good Lord almighty, so easy and such a dump. Sitting in on my SMCIs until we hit 1K. If there's any last questions, hit me right now. Do you think SMCI will hit 1K today? Not probably today. Not today. Nope, not happening. Not happening today. Cali Kid, Zone. Short this using a 5 minute. Started my trend from pre-market. What would you have? Where would you have played this? Why or why not? SOUN. Let's see here. Just choppier movement, so most likely would not have traded it. Like go to a 5 minute time frame using the trend line crack. I see a shelf crack right here that I like a lot. So I probably would have waited for the shelf to VWAP crack right here, boss. Under whole round number of 4. So that 390 shelf crack is probably where I would have traded it in the end, most likely. And then again, using, past chart history to find where to take profit. Maybe here at 470 or 375, down to the lower shadow 350, which was also after hours high. And then anything under 350, which I can tell was a good hanging area, is just, icing on the cake down into the real meat and potatoes of yesterday's squeeze area. So that's where I would have shorted it. Also, how long would you play there? And so I'd probably would have been out by now. You know, when that when this came in and I got that last little crack of 335 down, you know, seeing that bear flag form up, when I got that pullback, I'd be out of that trade. So 390 shelf crack on down, taking profit into around the 310, 315-ish area, somewhere into here, as close as I can get. Got it, Callie? Got in it through there. You're driving a G392 now. You just want to go take out Zilla for a drive? You can. I'll let you drive it around the block while I'm in the passenger seat. I'll let you maybe drive it on the interstate too. You never know. Awesome, awesome trade, bro. And the fact that you got in at 392, couldn't even be happier. Sean, unbelievable. You know what? That's the song I'm playing here to go out this morning. It's unbelievable. Because that is a hell of a move for CHNR. And we're gonna... Ooh, this could be the end of the road, Galvatron. Shawnee. There you go. Love it, Cali Kid. Love it, love it, love it. All right, team. Anything else? Anything else? I'm taking the break. I'll let you know when I want to short PLCE. I'm going to watch CHNR and see if this isn't the end of the road for CHNR / Galvatron. Massive gap down. You've got, like I said in Dex Lobby, I just typed out over there. The only way this is going to come back to life and get moving is if it goes back over where we just halted up at. So there's your gap down. We've got to immediately start flying right back on up and eclipse. And we could do it here. We could do it. And there you go. There you go. Whammy. CHNR flying. We are rolling here, team. We are rolling. We are rolling. Rolling, rolling, rolling. PLCE new high of day. PLCE, PLCE. Been on these from the jump, baby. All right, I'm out of here, team. I'm out of here. I can't take these longs. They're just flying with momentum, team. I'm scared that if we had more plays that had been doing this and they haven't been giving back gains today, we've been seeing so much of that, and we're about to halt up, and we just halted up on PLCE. I cannot believe where I alerted watch for a lower shadow bounce at 245, and we have now raced up $5+. $5. Oh, you got a Trader J Tesla going. Let's see, have a good day. Oh, is it finally popping? Is Tesla finally getting its bigger day? Is Tesla finally, well, a little bit bigger, 195 is huge. Like I keep saying, 195 is huge. 195 is huge. You got it, K. Clausen. $5 hairs. Trader J, you know it. You know it. Something, Chuck and Larry. I pronounce you Chuck and Larry. What that movie's called? Love it. Da hairs. See, See, relationship like a circle. It's wound. It's never ending. Not like a square. It's got edges. It's like a circle. It's never ends. It just keeps going. Or I can't remember exactly what he says. That scene is hilarious. Oh, man. All right, team. I'm taking a break. Taking the break. Again, be careful with these plays as we move forward for the rest of the day. They are just becoming parabolic. I'll alert them real quickly where I think they could go to. CHNR, I think we all know 875 roll. Oh, wow, look where it just reversed at. So easy. $875 team. Look at the reversal right off $875. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Easy peasy right there on CHNR. So I was going to say, watch for what? 875 resistance. We're already there. Over 875 to 10. This is exactly why I said I just cannot go long on these plays anymore. I would be looking for a short. PLCE, let's just go back to past chart history here and look at PLCE's past chart history and see what we can find. 1 year, 1 day. We really have not moved this big ever. PLCE. Again, we're going to not gap up, but that's all good. Let's just walk it on up. What's next? We'll go 38.25, but over that 38.75. Funny, both of these plays are running at 8.75 area. Over that to 39.70, $40. Over 40 to 40.35, and then possibly up to 41.50. Over 41.50 to what? 41.85, and then to 42. 42.50. That's your way up for PLCE. Could slowly but surely matriculate its way up. It has been doing this gap down on halts up. Doesn't mean it's done, as we just saw in CHNR. As long as you eclipse that price right away, your money. Oh, J Beans, it's all good, boss. Oh, because it spiked up. You're talking about Tesla. Tesla. Yeah. Because it spiked up. And then you're like, okay, I'm taking my profit. That's a good spike. Yep. That's why I'm just holding the SMCI. I mean, I could have taken SMCI and, made a pretty good chunk of change. But I'm like, I know this is going to hit 1K. I know this is going to go flying up. I'm just going to sit in my small shares for now. PLCE, again, watching for that gap up here and rolling up, team. Or gap down, I should say, in continuation. We need to hold 35. Need to hold that upper shadow at about 35. And then we can move back on up. Still waiting for the short on PLCE. There will be a good short. It just isn't quite there showing its face yet. All right, team, taking the break. Love you guys. Trader J, J Beans, Coldplay. We got K Clausen, Jay in chat, Astra in chat, Sean in chat, Hoops to Trade in chat, Cali Kid banking today, Trader 1, Myron, it's milk. We're milking. He's like, got milk? Oh, I got lots of milk. Other cousin Gred, Kev Kevani, everyone else that was in chat. Run on the Banks, MN Trades. Ryan was in chat today. Astra, I should say, D Sarley, Trader 1. All you beautiful peeps. All you beautiful peeps. I'm out of here. I'll see you guys back for lunch commentary in about an hour and 45 minutes from now. Sean, you appreciate it, boss. Love you so much. Love it, boss. Meta's ripping. Meta ripping. Yep, that's nice. I wanted to rip. CHNR. That VWAP cracks. This is going to be done. It's going to fly down. It's going to crack away. Hopefully you guys made some good money today. Easy money, honestly. CHNR, I know it was kind of funny to think that I alerted that. Not that I said, hey, trade it, but I was like, that's what we need to do. But great long and continuation. Same with PLCE. And then or the way down. If you got JXJT with me and other cousin and other traders and got JXJT, I went the other way and went with continuation down. Or if you took my call, told you guys last night to get an SMCI, you're up $50 for the day essentially so far or more. I got you across the board, team. If and when you ever need any help, and I played the morning alerts earlier, how badass those are and what you're missing out on. Here is a sign-up link for those morning alerts. If you have not signed up, I promise you, you're missing out on easy money. They're $30 a month. That's $1 a day. I promise you, you're going to turn $1 a day. And Sean, you can even say, Sean, if you're around, what's that $1 a day, Sean, turn into? I know you just signed up here recently. K-Kloss and you as well. What have you turned that $30 into essentially so far? Because you've only been at it for a couple of weeks. It's your first time. Look for it. Oh, PLCE, a trend line crack. I'm not going to do a trend line crack on PLCE. It's just so high up, but man, PLCE, there's your trend line crack. I would have said somewhere right about right there was your trend crack on PLCE. So there's your nice little move down on PLCE. Really could have got in a little bit higher. I do think there's going to be more movement on this. I'm going to be patient and wait on it. Going to be patient and wait on it. Going to be patient and wait on it. Lost boys, lost girls. I'll see you back here in about... and like I said, an hour and 40 minutes. An hour and 40 minutes. Hour and 40 minutes, team. It was another one of these type of mornings. Whoa. I just realized I had Sean still, I guess, playing. Or from earlier when I listened to him or something. Lost boys, lost girls. Big ring!
You're unbelievable. You're unbelievable. Singly laughs, told me you can ask us. Pushing down the reticence, bringing out your high self. Think of the fun times, pushing down the better view instead of bringing it out to what the world and everything you ask to brace yourself. With grace and peace, I know this world and what it seems.
It's unbelievable.
You burden me with your questions. You'd help me tell no lies. You'll always ask what it's all about. So listen to my replies. You say to me I don't talk enough, but when I do, I'm a fool. These times I've spent, I've realized you shoot through and leave you the things you say. Your purpose just give you away. The things you say is what I love you more. The things you say. Your purpose just give you away. The things you say. You're unbelievable. You're so unbelievable. You're unbelievable. You're unbelievable.
This is the rhythm of the night. The night. Oh yeah.
What's up, team? Sorry, I'm trying to put the mic back on real quickly. PLCE, I am in on this right now. 29.62 is my entry. 29.62, going in for a little bit of a short here. I'm not going in big, just trying to get a little small profit out of this. We should collapse on down to 29.20, which is where we halted up at. Under that, down to 27.75 and below would be my real targets overall. 29 or 27 area, $27 area for PLCE. Just went in 500 shares. I'm not going in big on PLCE. Waiting for the 3-minute candlestick confirmation as well on this, not the 1 minute. So I just gathered in some small shares, waiting for the 3-minute candlestick confirmation. Just letting you know. Las niñas lindos. Oh, it is a PLCE trade. PLCE team. I just took a little bit more actually because this isn't dumping. I'm waiting for the bear flag to crack. It's already again, I got in a little bit more, so it's already right at about a $900. I'm up $900 right now. I was hoping to get that $1,000 trade out of it because of how much it moves. I jumped in some more shares and it started cracking back on down under that 29.30 mark that AK47 brought up, which was the halt up price. And so here we go. Come on, give me 27 already. You know you want to, you little shite and snoozle flies and krauselkatins. Come on. Give it to me. Where's my 27 on the dot? Give it to me. Walking her down to 27, my friends and family. Here we go. Come on. Come on here. But yes, down to 27 is where I want to take this to. Right about right now. Actually, you know what? There. I'm going to take some right there. I just took it. I just took it. I'm up just over $1,000 on the trade, so there's no point to sit there and try to hold in on this anymore. Great $2 plus move right where I wanted down to, right at about 27 there. So boom, it looks like it's probably going to dump down some more. So easy peasy trade. Astra trading, Myron, K Clausen and Chad. Hopefully you got that easy trade right there. Beautiful. Just wait, patience, and find a little trade. You know, I probably could sit in this longer. I'm gonna go hang out with the pack and get some other stuff done as well. I will see you guys and look at SMCI. SMCI has a squeeze kind of written all over it. I'll put SMCI on the big board right here. SMCI does look like it wants to squeeze here possibly soon. Maybe we do get 1,000. I know Trader One asked me earlier. I didn't think it was going to happen. It looked like we were going to chop around. Those bands are starting to slowly move apart, so we may end up squeezing here on SMCI. So that one's still, of course, I'm still in. Liola's. It's all right, Astra trading. It's all right, Astra. It's all right. So I went ahead and took it. Great trade. Kevani. Love it though. Good team. Got a piece of that. Good job, Astra. Good job. All right, Lost Boys, Lost Girls. I'll be back here in about an hour and 20 minutes for lunch commentary. Love you. Bye-bye.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble! Ready to rumble!
Pump up the jam, yo, pump it up, yo, pump it. Y'all ready for this?
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. Move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. Give it up, go.
Welcome to the big show. Simply wait.
Pump up the jam, pump it up while your feet are stumping. And the jam is pumping. Look ahead, the crowd is jumping. Pump it up a little more, get the party going on the dance floor. See, 'cause that's where the party's at, and you find out if you do that. I want a place to stay. Get your booty on the floor tonight. Make my day. I want a place to stay. Get your booty on the floor tonight. Make my day. Pump up the jam. Pump up the jam. Pump up the jam. Pump up the jam. Pump it up, up.
Finds it to 25, breaks a couple of tackles. And look at him go! And look at him go! He could go all the way.
Hey, hey you, get out of our way because today is the day we will put you away.
It's fun to stay in the YMCA. It's fun to stay in the YMCA. They have everything for your men to enjoy. You can hang out with all the boys.
Let's get ready to rumble! Ready to rumble!
Pump up the jam, yo, pump it up, yo, pump it.
Simply and fuego.
And the winner.
What's up, fam? How we doing? How we doing? Who is it? They are. Is it? Hopefully everyone's having a good day. PLCE, boy, that really paid out. You know, like I said, I checked out for the past hour, and it did, like, right before I checked out, it fizzled down like I figured it would, finally below that little shelf crack. I should have held a little longer, but I'm not worried about it. Still got some good profit on it, one shelf crack after the other. The main one was the original one. It was under 30. That is done. PLCE, that was thank you. Thank you for coming today. We knew that you were going to be a good short at some point in time. We just had to wait for it. Undarshi is. I don't know how many times it seems like Apple's form these bear flag boot heel type. It just support down at a whole, you know, round area, which is 180, 150, and this at this point, really, it's a little bit above it. Watch for that short. We'll go through some of these plays. AMD, I'm not liking it too much because it's a little kind of, but it looks about like the same. I'm not liking it as much as Apple's my point, but I do like it for a short under that 175.50 mark or so. ARM, cool. We're still moving about 10 or so a day. Choppier, but I figured ARM was going to be, I hope it doesn't end, but it looks like it's slowly but surely coming to an end. Meta, we already have up here at the top. That was alert there by Finster, what I'd be looking at there. Overall, nice little, kind of a pennant flag getting formed where you got higher, low, or higher, higher lows and lower highs. So you're getting tighter and tighter and tighter. If you zoom in, you can see that right there where we have a little trend line and a downtrend. So watch for a pop or drop soon. What did Microsoft give us for that? Oh, that's right, the opening bell dumpage. That was gorgeous, gorgeous. If you guys got that alert, that my morning voice alerts under 410. Of course, even this morning, the alerts here in chat, I was telling you guys nonstop what to be doing. Microsoft, beautiful, beautiful. Let's go to NFLX. Just give it. I thought we were going to get there today, but we just are still in a little bit of the chop zone, but we're starting to move a little bit more. NVDA just has not been able to figure its mind up today, for the most part, below the VWAP, as you could tell. Trend line to VWAP crack here was just one of the last just gorgeous setups. This was another one, trend line to VWAP crack, and now we're down again. So we've done that twice in a row. Smaller trend line, so watch that under 728 here, 727.50 for more shortage. Of course, our baby SMCI, I'm still in this, like I told you guys. And then Tesla, which is the one I just kind of brought up here in chat. Nice little U shape right here. Could form a little cup and handle and shoot for some more. Watch that overall high of day, that 195.65 mark. Upper VWAP band starting to take off a little bit there at 195.90, 195 or 196 area. You really want it to shoot up a little bit more than that to show some movement. That's why I said earlier to Trader One asked if SMC, I was going to see 2K, or 2. Well, I keep going there. Maybe because my intuition just knows we're going to go to 2K on SMCI. But definitely, just the way the bands are moving, I don't see it getting to 1K today. Tomorrow, 100% is, it seems to be a lock. Even today, especially if we squeeze up here toward the end of the day, toward the highs, and we're right, kind of like we did, essentially what we did yesterday on SMCI. You know, we could see that again. Going back up, moving up, moving up. This was awesome this morning when this pulled back for those low entries. I wish I would have, I wish I would have gotten filled. Did not. It's all good, but regardless, beautiful, beautiful move there from. Let's look at all those lines we do not need anymore. Bye. I'll leave this one in. Oh, there's no point for any of these. So many lines. Bye, bye, bye. Look at this one. All the way down at 187. Bye. 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 Oh, it is so funny. It's just crazy to see there how far up these plays have gone. These plays have gone so high. It's crazy. Absolutely crazy. Oh, back then I haven't looked at the SPY really at all. It's just choppy. SPY is so gross. Real choppy. Choppy. Yeah, Meta, watch for that overall. I'd say the real round numbers where the short's going to come, in my opinion, when you crack 485. That's going to be the bottom of the flag. It's a whole round full number. Like every 5 is huge with these large cap plays. Under 485, watch for the pullback. I mean, overall, you could make your way maybe possibly down to the VWAP because the VWAP will slowly work its way up at that point. But the old high of day and overall top resistance that we faced until we squeezed ahead of it. Could get a $4 plus pullback, right? Or at least $4. It depends on where you get in at. But from 85 down to about 81 or so, 81.50. Small cap's dead. Man. Small cap's dead. Had some fun earlier, though. We had some fun this morning. I don't see anything. My play looks like it's going to dump down even some more. But very, very nice across the board when it comes to these shorts. You get great opportunities daily. For whatever reason, there a lot of these don't have any news, so I don't know where this comes from out of nowhere, where all of a sudden traders want to come over here and pump up small caps for whatever reason. I just don't really get it, but they do, and out of nowhere, like it is, and especially these up and then down moves, you go however many hundreds of percent, and then you go down hundreds of percent in the same day, create nasty upper shadows. It's not good for small caps, and they're going to die off just as fast as they showed up. I'd say Tesla's one of your better movers right now, honestly. And here we go down some more, of course, PLCE. I almost jumped back in this right when I started commentary, right around the 25 or 23.50.60 mark, just to get an extra few $100s, and I should have, because it did go down where I figured it would, down to 23. Probably has room down to 22.50 at this point. If we crack down right here where we halted up earlier, That's going to be your last line of like saving defense. This could crack easily down to 2250. I've got lower VWAP bands starting to go down a little bit at 2040. Could be nasty. Tesla's looking good. Nice little pop up here. There's really no overall trend in set play. Really just jumping in with momentum. Earlier, the downtrend break would have been nice over level, right? You know, of course, probably went back into the Thanos crossover to the long side as well. Did Tesla. Depends on what time frame you're using. Looked pretty good, actually, today in the 3-minute time frame. I have it in the 3, and looks actually really well in the 3-minute time frame, or the 5 really looks good as well. Could have went short, long at the opening bell, short in the middle of the day, and then now you could have been long again once we got back over to the bullish side. And in the 3-minute time frame, it was pretty perfect. You cross back, you broke the downtrend, which would have been kind of your first key to get in. Then you got back over the VWAP and reclaimed that, the 9 EMA, and then fully into the Thanos crossover just a hair after that, and have been bullish ever since. Wow, here's another one of these plays team. I did not see this TVGN. I gotta put that in Dex Lobby. TVGN. Jeez, what a mover. I think it's a new IPO play here. Jeez. No, it's not. No, not new IPO. Nope. There's past chart history on this one. At least I thought. Oh, here you go. Here you go. Tesla new high of day. Tesla new high of day. Tesla, they're rolling. We're rolling. We're rolling. We're rolling. We're rolling. We're rolling. New high of day. New high of day there for Tesla. Beautiful Thanos crossover there move there. Beautiful Thanos crossover move right there. Mafia doing great, bro. You kidding me? Took the parents out yesterday for a little drive in the BMW. They've never been in a BMW before, a car that fast, so that was really, really exciting. Of course, as a kid, you finally get to have a badass car. It's more badass than any vehicle your parents ever had. And really in the family's ever had, really, and on either side. And it just kind of like goals. You're like, man, wow, this is really cool. Like I'm actually doing this, And so the parents, of course. Pops was just, of course, this camera. I just didn't realize how jacked up my camera was today. Why didn't someone tell me? My camera was jacked up. I think it was yesterday. I forgot what happened, what I did yesterday. What am I doing here? This thing's like all drunk today. Anyway, yeah, that was then the point being, yeah, they were all super impressed. Dad, of course, because there for a while I was, not I'm sure impressing the parents for a few years. Like, is my son ever gonna accumulate to anything? And then I step up finally to the plate after a few strikeouts. And just knocking it out of the park. Got to continue to do that, though, right? And I know that. Got to keep the grind up. So I know this is just the beginning of it. But it was a great day, right? Good day. Very good day. Very cool. Very honored. Of course, got the GoPro on them. Got a little video footage of them, first ride ever, for whatever. I'm going to have to label it. But it was just funny. About a couple of weeks ago, I followed this girl. She has a Lamborghini and she has a BM. She has an M4 competition. And she took her dad, he's older, in for like that first drive. And I was like, man, that's a good idea. I need to put the GoPro in there because they've been wanting to, see it for the longest time and take it for a drive. I just don't really drive it that much. And Avery may take it here and there. And when I'm driving, I'm not going over to the parents' house. I'm doing my thing, And so they're like, anyway. So I took him for a ride. It was cool. Anyway, I'm still holding on SMCI. You mentioned that it as a squeeze. Could you show it on the charts for learning purposes? What do you mean, boss? Could you show it on the chart? Are we kidding? Mafia, are we kidding right now? Mafia, are we kidding with SMCI? Are you kidding? I'm just getting a piece of the pie is the point. Like this, do I need to really show you the last like 20 days? Or I'll show you like the last, we'll just go, how about we do this? We'll do the last 15-day, 15-minute time frame. I have watched this thing and alerted it to you guys from 600 to 900 in a week. A week and a half. That Mafia? This thing is a super squeeze. This has already been squeezing. This thing has been like, been squeezing and juicing all over the place. I'm just getting in at the last second because this is a supernova. This is like a Mafia. This is like a play going from 10 to 30 to 70 to 80. And I'm like, well, this is about to hit 100. I'm going to jump in here at 80 and get just a little piece of the pie to 100. Truly, right? Yes, exactly. Completely I'm just getting in. I'm just getting in at this point. And yesterday, all it was, hey, yeah, like if you're asking, like, what did you see yesterday? If that's what you're asking, it was just this. We're matriculating up in after hours at all-time highs, and there's this, like, resistance at 905 that was kind of built in. I'll zoom in a little bit right here, and I'm like, there's it's just me, as much as I've seen this. It's like, yes, a small cap or whatever, it is just going, it's all momentum based. It is, I saw even a post earlier, whatever I saw, where it was like Bank of America has this, just now has this as a buy. Bank of America, like me, has this probably going to the moon. No, not literally, we'll get close. Tesla went to 2K in 2020. This has Tesla vibes. Now, not fully, because Tesla at the time was running like $200, $300 in a day. But this over $1,000 could do that. Over $1,000, we could see $200, $300 days. I just saw it kind of pop up to new high of day. We'll see if we get through to 1,000, but yeah, bro, it's just one of those things where I'm just getting into it, boss, and I saw that yesterday, and I'm just like, I want to make you guys money too, and I know a lot of you guys have made money today because I hope you did. Did you get in, Mafia? Did you get in yesterday after you got my alert? I know, hopefully you guys got my alert. I hope you guys got my alert. Go back to Tesla looking like it's going to possibly squeeze for more to new high of day. Here you go. But yes, boss, completely parabolic, my man. It's just crazy. It's mind blowing at this point. But we haven't seen it in a while. See where the parents wearing the shoes. Yeah. Well, you know what's so funny, Mom? Your cousin Greg. My mom was, but my dad was. He had one shoe off. He like broke his toe. So he's like, man, I stubbed it real hard. I don't know if I cracked it. Of course, you get older, and on Mafia, I guess you guys know how that is. I guess you're a little older. Like I'm starting to get there. Your bones get a little more brittle. They're just not strong anymore. And he's like, man. So he had his. I get there. He had one of his Yeezys on. I got him, and then he had one of the Yeezys off. And so that is so funny. They had the Yeezys on, and so yeah, but Dad was one shoe off. Yeah. Oh, but yes, they were wearing the shoes, so that's so funny you asked that. But yep, they love those shoes. They're light, especially my dad. Older he's gotten, he can't walk around as good. The myasthenia gravis has really kind of taken a toll of him a little bit. And especially because he's just not going to take care. He's one of those old school guys. He just ain't going to take care of himself. I'm a new school guy. I'm going to stay fit. I want to look pretty. I don't want no gut. I don't want it's just great examples. I'm like, Dad, I know I hate that this is happening to you, but it's great examples of me what to do and essentially what not to do. That's funny though that you asked. They had the Yeezys on. The Yeezys. But yeah, Dad had one off, one on. I thought that was funny. I walk in, he's like kind of doing like, you can tell his toes all messed up. And of course, anyway, I'm like, why don't you just take the other one off? Because when you have one shoe on and one off anyway, a little unbalanced, I'm like, Pops, just take the other one off. He's outside walking around, just like grandpa mode now. He got one shoe on, one shoe off, walking around outside looking at the BMW in the driveway. And then we're leaving. I'm like, oh yeah, y'all want to this is what I love about their neighborhood. It's so old school. It was built in the late 90s. It was. They got it, that was when it was built. Got a brand new house, blah, blah, blah. That was when it was new, is my point. So it's older people for the most part kind of live there now, 50s, 60s. Some new, younger couples, but most part it's older. Anywho, we're leaving. I'm like, oh yeah, your garage door's still open. I'm thinking I'm in my car. I'm about to go, or whatever, and I'm about to shut it. I'm like, oh, I can't shut it. You need, oh, don't worry about it. I pulled out in the street and I'm about to drive out. No, I'll just leave it. That's fine. Literally went up, left for about 5-10 minutes. They just left the garage door. I mean, of course, the car's there. It's not like anyone's just going to walk in. Completely, unless you just saw my parents leave, you have no idea. That's all. I love those neighborhoods where they just always leave the garage door open. They ain't worried about no one stealing anything. Like, those are that's where it's at, It's when I want to live on the road I'm living on. Of course, it'll be the last house on the left anyway. So I'm like, I want to be able to leave my garage door open. I hate that I feel like I can't. Like, lock it up. They're going to steal everything. So yeah, I won't say much how I made. I won't say. I want to make sure I learn from. Okay, gotcha. You won't say how much you've made on it. Mafia, how much have you made on it? I think Mafia's made over $15K on SMCI. Well, I mean, I think you made that probably along the way, of course. But I mean, maybe like overall, since I said, get in. We're going. Closer to 50. I didn't want to go real high, Mafia. I didn't want to go real high because I feel like I should be making that money, on it. But I'm not. I just wanted to make sure I was right on this again because I'm going to start testing these. I'm like, I'm right on this. There's no way I'm not right on this. There's no way I'm not right on SMCI. Oh, since yesterday. Oh! Ooh! The intuition kicking in there. So it is 15K. Okay. Then did I say 10 or 15? What did I say that you made since yesterday? Because now 50's in my head and I can't think of anything else. What's up, Mala? Our shortest buy till end of March at 500. Nice. Look at that. Who's that handsome? Oh, that person is purty. You like that beard? You like that old person? Look. How does the white and the gray look, team? Is it, especially any females out there, if you're looking or watching, y'all can chime in. I mean, I'm going to shave. But is the gray and the silver okay in there? I just want to ask. Just asking for a friend. And Mafia, you're killing it, man. Mafia, you're straight killing it. Definitely 100%. I need some, I don't think I got one. Mafia, you got it. Come on, Mafia. I'm a Mafia yo ass. Thanos gonna snap next thing I'm right in front of you like, oh shit, how do you do this? Where? Cause concrete trader. That one gets me every time. Every time I see it, even when I pull it up and post it, I laugh just like that. I'm like, good God. How did that happen? It's like paper mache face or something? I don't know. Anyway. But Mafia, where's my testimonial? Bro, I gotta get it. I'm a don't make me get the chains out and the chainsaw out, okay? I need come on. You've been killing it. I need a testimonial from you, man. Come on now. Come on, man. I feel like I'm on that, Come On, Man, whatever segment on Monday Night Football. They still do that? I always like listening to Redneck Randy Moss. Just love it. Come on, man. Come on, man. It looks okay, but just don't show us the damn. Oh, God. You guys today. I got the, exactly. So I got the red. I love it. I got the red and the white. Wear blue. I love it. Yeah, the red. Hey, that's good. You got the red, white, and the blue. Oh, yeah, man. Yeah, I keep forgetting, Marla. Bro, I keep forgetting. Then yesterday, it's like then there's something that comes along. Then I'm like, man, I get to go hang, get to take my mom and dad out for a minute. And I was so into that yesterday and taking them out for some food. And then after that, then I did, it was Queenie's birthday. My daughter right down here, it was her second birthday. She actually is a Valentine's Day baby. So, I had to do a little birthday for Queenie yesterday. So we had a little birthday party. I was by myself, though, of course, on Valentine's Day. So then, I was just, it's just one of those things. I forgot. I forget when I get into the things I love in life, which is almost you. So don't feel like you're not loved because you're loved, but you're not Queenie loved, okay? You love. Come on. I know you love me, but you ain't picking up my crap and poo-poo, I come stay at your house and I'm like, you ain't gonna want to pick that up. You like, Joshua Allen AK47, what the hell did you just shit on my floor? Did you just shit on my floor? Out, you're out. I don't even know you anymore as a person. Who are you? So you don't love me that much. That's my point, Let's see. I love it though. So I'll do a written testimony and you can read it. I can sign it to make. Oh, there we go. Okay. Well, Mafia. Then I'm gonna have to hire one of those. What are the people called that are like hand signature professionals? What are those people called? So then I'll have to have that'll be the testimonial. It'll be her reading your letter, And then she's going to compare signatures. She's like, yep, this was signed by Mafia 1. I can give it the, whatever her name. Oh, what if I give it an AK stamp of approval? Shit! Damn it! I haven't given one of those in a minute. Where have those gone? Oh, it's coming out. It's coming back out right now. AK stamp of approval. Coming up. Coming up. Telling you right now. Where's that been? I can't even. Where have I been? Boom. What do we got here? Mala says, hey, brother. Let's see. I'll do. Okay, gotcha. You're just sending me pictures now. Mala, don't be sending that. Don't be sending me that. Don't be sending me that. What's that do it? I don't know what I can't see what the picture is on my phone. I can see it, but I can't see it. Maybe if I click on it, can I get bigger? Dang it. No, it's not getting any bigger for me. And that was really weird. I shouldn't say that. I should not say that. But here we go. AK stamp of approval. Here we go, team. It's coming out. It's coming out. Boom! Customer stamp. Oh, I need that. Oh, damn, I do need one of those. Your custom name. I saw that in your logo, but I was like, what is that? Oh, AK stamp. Oh, I need one of those big time. AK stamp of approval. Dang, and my logo in the middle. How much is that damn thing? Like $5 or $10? I see a single number there. Or is it two numbers? I can't tell. How much is that? $15? Looks like there's a 5 in it. Anyway, that would be, I would love that. I would love it. And then what I can do, 20. Oh shit, I'm buying that. Then what I can do, team, and those, the morning alerts that I email out when I start getting that email chain going to you guys, that's where I'll put that's where I'll have to start off the very morning, AK stamp of approval. And they'll have a little stamp beside each one of them. Boom. Boom. Like SMCI, team, get your ass in. This is heading to 1,000. What are you waiting for? If it gets to 1,000 and doesn't stop, this could hit freaking 2K in a week. This could go, I'll say it now, and I'll have to wait for that validity to come in. I could easily see this going from 1K to 2K in a week. That would be crazy. Absolutely bonkers. And then, of course, when is it? Is it Tuesday, team? Y'all probably beat me to it. When is NVDA's earnings, team? When it's police say, man, that mass shooting yesterday at the Chiefs parade. What are people doing? What are people doing? What are people doing? 21st, the 21st, the 21st, the 21st, the 21st, 21st. I found it. I know your guys are like, shit, I think, so it's Wednesday? Okay. All right, so it's Wednesday. Thank you, Cole. It is Wednesday. Huh. I was thinking that was Tuesday, and then I look at the date, and that's Wednesday. Because all the other ones were Tuesday, Thursday. All right, NVDA. NVDA stays in this range that we're at right now. You know, over 700 essentially. Floating around 747. Especially if we ever get over 740, watch out. I have this with earnings in the day after getting up to 875. Stamp of approval. You know, it's gonna be like Meta. It's gonna be. I would be absolute. I would give it a 7+ if NVDA is the opposite in tanks. In my opinion, what we've seen and how we're going up, this is going to squeeze to 850, 875. SMCI's go. I mean, at that point, we already see where SMCI's at. That's what I'm saying. If SMCI's already at 1K tomorrow, imagine we get Monday off, team. We're off on Monday. President's Day, okay? Tuesday, 1 day of trading, and I could see, because we're waiting for NVDA's earnings on Wednesday, Tuesday into Wednesday could be choppier, maybe days, possibly. I'm telling you right now, Wednesday into Thursday, if SMCI is already at 1,000, that's why I wanted to get in early and before the 1K break. If NVDA goes to 875, 850 with earnings, SMCI is going to 1,500. SMCI is going to blow up. Promise you. I'm just telling you now. Deck thinks NVDA will crash when it reports, and the rest of the market as well. I don't know why. I really don't know why he thinks that. I have no idea why he would think that at this point. With everything else, the way it's been going up, I would 100% think the opposite and think we're going to squeeze to super duper new highs. I've been saying that. I've been saying that for weeks. For sure. Been saying that since like about a month ago now. Because I had it in my chat. I kept trying to copy and paste it. But I think the first one was like mid-January, like about a month ago right now. It was like a month ago. I think it was January 16th was when I first said that. Let's just go back to it. NFLX reported on what? Yeah. Well, no, it was before that. There was one that reported for NFLX. I can't remember what it was. Was it Meta maybe? No, Meta was after that. Meta was at Meta and AMD or whatever were after that. There was one before that. Amazon was a big one. I can't remember. Anywho, regardless. But yeah, I see up and away. Up and away. Yeah. What's up, Zero Day? It's 0 day. He said there's no more days. It's 0 days until I'm back. It's 0 days, baby. Master Blast from I see it squeezing, going hard. I mean, that's why I'm in SMCI. There's no one in chat that's saying SMCI to 1,000. I was the only one saying, hey, get in now yesterday when I saw that. You know, I was like, hey, get in. I'm no one else. I'm the one that say I'm promised. I just seen this before. It just happened. Here's my point. Mafia, you weren't here earlier in chat. I wish my boy Sean Worrell would pop in real quickly. I told Sean Worrell he was in a long, and I told him the only way this is going to pop back up because it came out of a halt up to a halt down. I said, only way this is going up is if we bounce off these lower shadows here, and then we can go back up and probably go to new high of day. Bro, look where we bounced right off of. Right at 240, 245, what I called out, and we raced. And I mean raced up to 885. 875, whatever. Bro, this comes back to just seeing this stuff day in, day out, day in, day out, day in, day out, day in, day out, and remembering what you're seeing. Super Micro Company is a big company that's been around. Yeah, exactly. Oh yeah, and these companies have been squeezing, really hard. AMD at all-time highs, if I'm not mistaken, right? AMD's at all-time highs, and it's never been this high before. Was the company that I said back in 2021 or 2022 into 2023 to go long-term on. You know what I mean? Like, it's just these plays, and I said, and SPY's going to go to 525. SPY's going to. That's kind of where I see SPY getting up to overall. I think we do get overextended at some point. Yes, I do think that we pull back. But, at this point, these plays just seem on such a tear, overall, that especially even NFLX. I mean, look at NFLX and Netflix. You know what I'm saying? Like, you look at where Netflix is at, you can go to kind of like all time here. I think there was a price split. Maybe there wasn't. Maybe Tesla was this high after COVID. I can't remember. Regardless, you're pushing back all the way up into those levels from going all the way down to 160. I know we'll see a reversal, but these are it just seems like we're going up 100%. Definitely see the overextendedness. It's not like I don't see it. It's just one of those things that I would be careful shorting as of right now and just make it wait a little bit. Because Tesla, I keep losing your stream, man, and I thought yes, yeah, I don't know. I've been getting that here and there on the streams here recently, but I've been getting that across the board where someone will come over to my lobby and it's my lobby some days, and then some days it's not my lobby, it's Dex lobby, or it's J Trade's lobby, or whoever's lobby it might be. But I've gotten that. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna end the stream. I'm gonna go ahead and end this stream and start a new one. I'm gonna end the stream and start a new one. So guys, give me 1 second.